Most people think getting rich feels dramatic. One big paycheck, one lucky investment, one moment where everything changes. But real wealth is almost rude in how quietly it arrives. In fact, some people spend years becoming richer while still believing they're falling behind. That's because the signs of wealth rarely look like luxury. They look like habits that don't get likes on social media. The first sign is simple. You worry less about your next paycheck. Not because you're earning millions, but because one delayed payment no longer threatens your entire month. That's financial resilience. The second sign is your savings keep growing automatically. Money moves before you even think about spending it. Small deposits, every month. Boring, but incredibly powerful. Third, your debt is shrinking instead of expanding. Interest stops working against you and slowly starts working for you. Fourth, your lifestyle isn't rising as fast as your income. Most people celebrate raises by upgrading their expenses. Quiet wealth keeps the difference. Fifth, your investments earn money while you sleep. At first, the numbers seem tiny. Then one day you realize your portfolio made more in a month than you saved from cutting expenses. Sixth, you can say no. No to a toxic job. No to